Very good naman sir.
Ito yung card. Ninong kasi na. Temas. Sweet, sweet. Yeah! Good morning, guys! May towel pa ako. It's, December 23 and welcome to Vlogmas! Wala na si Yaya. She is on a day off. So today, I'm taking care of yours truly, Baby River. And we are just feeding him broccoli, chicken nuggets and rice, and beans and hot dog. Ma, you want more? Okay, look at him go. He likes it. Yes, you eat the broccoli. One by one po. Wow! Yay! Very good! Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. It's about lunchtime and mamadali ako kasi we are going to bring River today to the pediatrician. It's his checkup today. So, ayun. Nom 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 yummy. Yay! Yummy broccoli. Yes, camera. Hi, camera. Hi, camera. Umalis na siya. Nauna pa siya kay mama. Bye! Oh. Yes, you have a toy car. You have a hat. Thank you, Rafa, for my hat. Say thank you, Kuya Rafa, for my hat. Yes. And I have a Captain America shirt. And I have a black shorts. Yes. No. Gusto mo ipaglaro sa toys. Yes, that's your outfit for today. Dada's outfit for today.
Same as yesterday.
Okay, very good.
Baby, baby. Okay. Ito. Hindi, okay na.
Oh no!
Okay. Very good naman sir. Finish. Wow, very good. No crying. Put them down. Very good.
Good job.
Good job. Yay! Big boy na talaga.
Hindi mo lang nag-try yun. Good job. Oh, parang wala lang. Hello. Gano'n na yung kamay niya nawakan.
No more.
This is doing something. Good.
Come.
And once the door knob. No. Knob. Guys. So, I'm so proud of this little guy here. Hindi man lang siya umiyak, guys. So, Foxy. You're so brave. Mama's so proud of you. Hi. Mama's so proud of you, baby. So guys, tapos na kami sa clinic. Now we're here at Cartimar. Dada went out to shop for his, he's gonna start a vegetarian diet. And right on Christmas, diba? I know, right? And we're gonna look at some pets. We're gonna look at some animals while Dada is doing the shopping. Hello, baby. Hello, doggy. It's River. River? What's that? That's a dog. Hi, dogs. Hello, dogs. Meet River. River the dog lover. Yes. You wanna say hi? Say hi, doggy. Hi. Ciao, guys. Tapos na si Dada mag-shopping sa Cartimar. And right now, we are on our way to Max's Fried Chicken restaurant to claim River's full fried chicken. So he is entitled to kiss him. So sweet. He is entitled to 1 whole fried chicken every so sweet. Every birthday and every Christmas. Sweet, sweet. Yay! Very good. I love you too, anak. Very good. You're so sweet. Yeah, and we're here. Ito yung card. Ninong kasi Mac. Temporary card. Wala na daw totoong card. Ito na daw yon hanggang 2025. So, Mrs. Macron. Ang cute. Uy! Uy! Ay, naku anak. May sama kulit. Mr. Kulit? So busy. So busy. Guys, nakauwi na kami. So, ito na yung Max's Fried Chicken na libre ng ninong ni River. This is the free fried chicken ng ninong ko si Max. Ang itsura niya, yung whole chicken. Yan. It's the smaller version ng fried chicken nila. And yan siya pag na-chop na. Na-chop na yung Dada yung sa kanya. And Dada is doing that. This one is for Christmas and this one for River's birthday. Ano? Say thank you, Ninong ko, Max. Thank you, Ninong Max. Say thank you, Ninong Max, for the chicken. What are you doing? The chicken dance? Are you doing the chicken dance? Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. You're looking at the camera. And guys, share ko lang sa inyo, Dada is doing a ketogenic diet.
It's not keto.
Okay, it's the ano yun? So, Dada is also doing a once a day diet. So, he eats only at 3 o'clock. So, ngayon, he eats na. And it's so effective, guys. Only 4 days lang he lost 4 kgs. Grabe, no? And he also feels so much better. How do you feel, Dada?
Good.
Good.
Hungry kasi stop na.
Oo. So, 3 to 4 ka lang pwede kumain.
Yeah.
Diba? Pabalik anong dog program si Dada. Si Mama hindi muna sasali. Hindi muna tayo sasali, anak, no? I cannot do it. I will do it later. At balik alin dog program, no? No? Kiss? No? No? Kiss? Kiss, Mama. Hi! Kiss the camera. Kiss, Mama. Ano yun, anak? You wanna dance? This baby is a dancer. He wants to dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Ano? Okay. So, that's our December 23rd. So far, so good. Marami ring na-accomplish. And I can't wait for Christmas tomorrow. Mag-vlog din ako, pero konti lang. Ay, naku, anak. Why are you fighting with Mr. Lamp all the time? Nagkaaway kayo? Oy, no! No! Hindi ka nag-aaway. I guess I'm gonna end this vlog na today kasi wala lang. Parang wala naman ang mangyayari after this. Yun na yung lakad namin today. And I will see you guys tomorrow on the next Vlogmas. Malapit na nating matapos, guys! Yes! Bye!
Magic. Oh, baby, I'm yours. Ay, naku, anak.